Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at the 2018 Triumph Bonneville Bobber. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2018 Triumph Bonneville Bobber with 4,980 miles runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and traction control. Powered by a 1200cc parallel twin engine, the Bobber puts 77 horsepower and 78 foot-pounds of torque with 6-speed transmission. With a 2.4-inch fuel capacity, the Bobber has a 110 to 130 mile range. It has a 27.2-inch seat height and a 502-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this Bobber will need a chain guard. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds, and the rear at 430 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.